first week of Data Plus, and yet even I know that it's all about collaboration, and more collaboration.
Seeing the diversity of the projects and the people who are working on them has been super cool. There were English, history majors, feminist studies, and seeing data science applied to so many different areas, that was really amazing.
There are so many students all here working together, and even though you're not on the same team all the time, you have a bunch of support just literally at the table next to you.
You're given so much freedom. It's a control freedom where you're in an environment where you're surrounded by people who are intellectually curious and motivated. The combination of those two just gives you a good learning experience.
Walking into Data Plus, I was really unsure of my place. And what I realized is everyone knows something. It's just a bunch of students who have knowledge on a bunch of variety of topics.
I have definitely learned a lot of new coding skills. As someone who has had no prior coding experience at all, this was a lot to take in 10 weeks.
As a sociology major, there's not a lot of heavy quantitative data-driven work at the undergraduate level. And so definitely Data Plus has helped me learn R and how to parse through data, how to understand data structures and how to really wrangle them so that it becomes useful for our research. Even though the tool we learned formally is R, I think those concepts will appear again in the future and will inform how I conduct research in the future.
Aside from learning these machine learning models, I've been able to actually create an application that the Duke medical system is going to be using sometime in the future. And this has real impact. And I think that's why big data is really important, because a lot of people throw it around as a buzzword, but through Data Plus, I'm able to actually use big data and analytical tools to make a significant difference.
Going into Data Plus, I would say a bit more unsure about where I wanted to go with regard to computer science. I've really enjoyed the collaboration with both my group and the groups around me in my room. We've all kind of helped each other learn. So I'm more confident now that I want to pursue data science as a career.
I learned how to code in R. I had previously only known Python, and I also feel like I learned more and more about how to function in a group research setting, having good communication skills and how important good communication skills are.
I would say if you're not involved in data or STEM, you should still apply for Data Plus because there's so many non-STEM people doing it that it's a really cool experience. You guys all get to participate in this together.
Thank you, Data Plus.
Thank you, Data Plus.
Thank you, Data Plus.
Thank you, Data Plus.